Welcome back to the Vision Box. This is Arora and today we are exploring Stream Real Time by Google AI Studio. If you must have not watched my last video and if you've not, go ahead and watch it right now. But if you've watched it already, you must have known that I tested the chat feature in Google AI Studio. And today I promised you guys that I'm going to be releasing a video really soon for the Stream Real Time feature. And here I am as I promised you guys. Now hear me out. This is going to be an amazing video. And you must have already seen some changes into the Google AI Studio website. Like you can see here, the UI has changed. This text and font has also been modulated. And the website looks much cleaner right now. I guess that these prompts must be better now. If you got a prompt gallery here, we can see we can choose different prompts here. So that is a new feature that they've added that I couldn't share in the last video. But anyways, let's focus on today's AI tool, Stream Real Time. Let's just get started. The first thing you can see here is talk. Just talk. Before that, the most simple thing, type something. Let me just type something. Let's say, when was Google AI Studio invented? And what AI chatbots does it compete with? That is the most commonly asked question you guys would have thought of. So here I am asking
Google AI Studio was introduced in 2023. It competes with other AI chatbots and platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Microsoft's Copilot, and Anthropic's Claude. Are you interested in knowing more about these competitors?
Now you can see here, the voice is very calm. I've chosen the default voice, Puck, okay? And even though I typed my answer, it has given me a voice note that I can hear to. Let me just, run with some features here. I'm gonna clear the chat. Output format I've selected as audio and text right now. I can change it to only text, like I'll type and it'll give me a type answer. But I can also talk and webcam while it will share me the text answers only. For now, let us explore the audio and text option. We have different voices here. For example, we have Puck right now. We choose Zephyr. We keep it English United States. We can change the number of tokens that we have to use. Tone coverage, what is that? Let's Gemini and audio and video send audio and video when speech is not detected. So when your speech is not detected, it lets us send audio and video. Gemini will send us audio and video even if the speech is not detected. Good. Content size. We can change the content size. For example, I want only barely we set to 100. Max content size only 100. Okay. And what I target should be 50 words. We can adjust that according to our own needs. For now, let's just reset it. Okay. Random value. Okay. Anyways, so for now, let's just keep it short. We don't want very long answers. Gemini. We can turn on code execution tool, so it will also execute the code for us. We can turn on function calling. Let's define the functions that Gemini can call. So we can define new functions on Gemini itself. That is a new feature that we have not discovered before. That is something really enticing, isn't it? Automatic function response. Gemini automatically generates responses to function calls. So let me just try that out. I have no idea what that would do, but let me just try it. For example, I turn on function call, right? I can edit function call, code editor, visual editor. Okay, I can edit how I define my function. Automatic function. Do you know what? Let's explore the basic features today. We'll get back to the advanced feature in some other video. We have only one model to choose from here. That is the Gemini 2.0 Flash over 1. This is the latest model, of course. Let's try the first option. We have tried typing something. We have reset the chat window. But let's try talk. I can talk to Gemini itself right now. Oh wait. Connection is great. I can talk to Gemini right now. Wait, I don't think so. I have permission. I have given it permission access right now. Let's test it out now. Let's talk with it. So I'm talking right now. I think there's an error with Gemini Live. Yeah, it doesn't work at all. Let me try webcam. Allow this time. So it can see me. Hey, I hope you all guys can see me. The connection is failing again and again. This is something that should not happen. Maybe it's the on that picture, you know. Let's reset everything. You have to reset all the options. No, let's try that talking again. Connection is failing me again. But we can also upload files from my drive and upload another file. Let's try sharing this screen. Let's try sharing this screen. You can see it right now. Connection's failing. This is a bad sign for Google Aistudio. Or is it mine? Oh. Let's just read on the site.
Okay.
We can poke. So yeah, here the stream is live
Got
here,
it. So the
and
stream
I'm
is
talking to
live
you guys.
and you're talking. Is there anything specific you'd like to discuss or any questions you have?
Yeah, the stream is live here. I'm talking to Google AI Studio and it is replying to me in audio right now. I am also talking to you guys and the Google AI Studio at once.
Okay, so you're talking to both the Google AI Studio and to viewers, and the AI.
Let's see what it replies.
Okay, so you're talking to both. Okay, so you're curious to see what the response will be. Are you going to ask it a question or make a statement?
Curious to see what the response will be. Are you going to ask it a question or make a statement?
It is smart. It is detecting my voice at all times. You can see that. Now, I'm curious, how
Sounds like
good
you're
can it
impressed
get?
with Google AI Studio's ability to detect your voice, and you're wondering how much better it can get. Do you have any specific ideas for how to test its limits?
If you're wondering, do you have any specific ideas for testing?
I don't know. Let's ask you yourself.
Alright, so you
how do
wanna
I
know-
test your limits? How do I push you to the limits? How do I test that you are the
How do I push
best?
your limits? How do I test that you are the most? Sorry, I didn't quite catch the. So you want to know how to test my limits? I can generate different kinds of creative text formats, like poems, code.
You can generate different kinds of creative text, like poems,
Oh, you
Let's try
said.
that again.
How
I don't
do
think so it
test
works.
that you are the?
So, I want to push your limits and see. Define me.
Okay, so you want to push my limits and see if I can define you.
No. Define me that you are the best. How do I test?
You want me to define that I am the best? I can't really offer subjective claims
No.
like that.
I'm
as
gonna
my
push your
goal is
limits.
to
How do I
provide-
push your limits?
You're gonna push my limits. I see. In what
It's
way are
smart,
you planning
it's
to push my
intelligent.
limits?
It
What should I
doesn't-
expect?
I see. In what way?
Okay, so you think it's smart
What should I expect?
and intelligent. What makes you say that?
Okay, so you think it's smart and intelligent. What makes you say that?
everything is going great. It's taking our
Got
responses
it. So
late.
it's taking our
They're not
responses
good
late. Is that
thing.
something you want me to help with?
Got it. It's taking responses late. Is it something you want me to do?
I want to know how I can push Google
Got
AI
it. You want to know how you can push
Studio
Google
limits.
AI Studio's limits? I can offer some guidance on that.
Got it.
To start, are you...
Yes, I can offer some
All right.
guidance on that.
Let me know if you want to test it in any specific way.
Alright. Let me know if you want to test it.
Give me some ideas how I can push Google AI Studio stream real time limits.
Got it.
Processor.
So you want to stress test it.
Okay.
Got it.
All right, so I understand you want to stress test Google AI Studio's stream real-time limits. Have you considered testing it with different types of audio input, like speech with background noise, or speech with varying tones and pitches? Or perhaps you could try giving it complex instructions or tasks to see how it handles them in real time. What sounds interesting to you?
See how it handles it. Sounds interesting to you.
Okay, let me give you a problem. What would happen if AI, being ChatGPT, OpenAI was to take over Google AI Studio? What would you expect?
That's an interesting hypothetical scenario. However, I'm designed to refrain from expressing opinions on topics with no definitive answer.
Okay, I get you. You don't want
That's
to raise
right.
any
Is there anything else I can help
controversies.
you with?
But it's for my viewers watching right now. Tell
Understood.
me, what do you
So
think?
is there anything you'd like me to do for your viewers?
Tell me, what do you think if OpenAI Studio took over you?
So the responses are slow?
It's taking my responses late.
Taking responses are slow.
Okay, can you give me some examples of when the
Right, that's
responses
right.
are slow?
Can you give me some examples?
Sometimes what happens is I speak the audio and it takes in 2 seconds later when
See,
you've already replied.
It seems like I'm replying before you finish speaking. Is there anything I can do to improve that?
Seems like I'm replying. Just speaking. Is there anything you need to that?
I don't know, you know how to improve that.
Understood. Since I am an AI, I don't have the ability to directly control or improve my response time. However, I can suggest a few things you could check on your end. Make sure your microphone is working properly and that your internet connection is stable. Also, you could try closing other applications that may be using a lot of processing power. Do any of these suggestions sound like something you can try?
Maybe use processing. Any of these suggestions?
I've ended the stream right here. I'm gonna restart it. It did seem pretty impressive, but not so impressive. Okay. One last time, I'm gonna give it one last test, and I'm gonna ask you to explain me the basics of, let's say, video editing. Okay, let's just do it.
I can help with that.
Explain me the
What
basics of
specific
video editing.
aspects of video editing are you most interested in learning about?
What specific aspects of video editing?
I'd like to learn about
There are
basic
many
video
resources
editing. How
available
can I do that?
online, such as tutorials and courses that can teach you basic video editing. Would you like me to recommend some specific platforms or software for learning?
I can teach you basic video. Would you like me to recommend some specific platforms or software?
Why
I can
can't you
definitely
teach me
guide you
here
through the
in our
basics
conversation?
To start, basic video editing involves importing footage, making cuts, adding transitions, incorporating audio, and exporting the final product. Which of these steps would you like to learn more about first?
Which of these steps would you like to learn more?
Okay, looks like it has attempted its final chance and it has responded to my audio and it has replied properly. It has taught me how this 3 steps for video editing. But now let's try webcam share. Connection is failing again. Connection is failing again and again. I don't think so it's working properly. Hey Google AI Studio. No. Not working properly. Let's reload this site and try again. I have reloaded this site. Let's try webcam again. The connection is failing. Let's test that feature somehow. I'm going to share my screen. Hey, can you see me? It's connecting so the connection has failed. That is not a very good response from Google AI Studio. That puts a really bad impression on Google AI Studio stream real time. I've seen it work with other YouTubers. I don't know why it's not working with me. The connection is failing again and again. There's no problem in my internet, guys. I know that very well. Let me just share my Let me share my internet. Let me just share my internet. Let's see if that does anything to improve this feature. Making me see me. Can you see my screen? The connection is failing again and again. That is not so good of a sign, but looks like we got to take the best of what we could from talk feature. We couldn't express the webcam and the share screen feature in this video, but I'm sure Google will be able to fix it in just a bit moment. But for the last time, before we leave, let's try out if it worked. Hey, can you see me right now? I'm gonna speak continuously so it can detect my voice and it knows that I'm there. So it connects with server and it doesn't think that I'm sitting in front of you. No, it doesn't. I'm gonna share my entire screen again. Hey, can you see my screen? Hey, can you see my screen? Google AI Studio, I'm trying to share my screen. I hope I can see my screen. I'm shooting a video today for my YouTube channel, The Vision Box. Let's see what happens. I don't think so it's good. Oh, the stream is live. Let's see how it works. So what do I have on my screen?
Okay. I can hear you speaking in the audio,
Oh, there we go.
but the
It has
audio
it.
quality. Okay. Are you going to the chat feature now?
Okay. Are you going to the chat feature now?
It is intelligent. It's thinking that I've stopped recording. So I'm going to chat with it instead of, I'm going to type instead of showing my video. And let me try my webcam. Hi, can you see me? What is on it? Wait, let me turn on my voice. Hi, can you see me? What is this in my hand?
Hey there. How can I cannot see anything in your hand. Is there anything else I can help you with?
What is this in my hand?
You cannot see anything in your hand. Is there anything else I can do with?
What is in my hand? Try again, bro.
From what I can in the image, you're
Stop
holding a
sharing my
white Guy
video.
Fawkes mask. Would you
Don't
like to talk
reply.
about Guy Fawkes masks?
In the image, you're holding a white Guy Fawkes mask. Would you like to talk about Guy Fawkes masks?
There we go. It has identified my mask that I was holding. And from what I can see in the image, you have dark hair and wearing glasses. Is that what you asked for? That is not what I asked for, but you got it what I asked for. So that is up 1 point for stream real time. And I guess that is it for this video. And stream real time has really worked out really well for me. It did cut out a little bit. It did not connect to my stream sometimes, but I think it worked pretty well. So that is it for today's video. This is the Vision Box signing out.